Hello everyone. Today we're going to be continuing on the first class, the first story. And remember this word. We just did that one. And now we're going to be doing this word. Okay.
一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九。
Oh yeah. And I'm going to remind you that here gotta make sure it's out. You don't stop here. Gotta make sure that this place is out. It doesn't stop here. It's most kids don't forget it, and just reminding you, just a reminder. Okay.
东，一、二、三、四、五。土，一、二、三。草。
Oh, and make sure that you're writing with your fingers. And what I mean is, pretend my mouse is your finger. Yeah, that's what I mean. Pretend.
十。
Yeah, my mouse is your finger. Then you write it.
帽，一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九。
Oh, and also make sure that once you're writing this word, these two parts are connected. And if you actually see other people writing it, it's connected. So once you write it, it's supposed to be also make sure that there's a space here. Well, it's not connected, but it doesn't really matter, but just make sure that there's a space here. Yeah, okay.
哭，一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十。心，一、二、三、四。
Okay, so now that we finished the vocabulary, we can get on to the next part. This next part is how you can use this, and then some useful features. So is rain, and then now this part is talking about the 部首. It's like the top is its meaning. Well, sometimes bottom, but that's pretty uncommon. That's not really common. So 电 is lightning, and then and once there's lightning, there's also rain. Makes sense, right? The meaning's on the meaning. And then now this is 雷. Lay is thunder, and then once there's thunder, most of the time there's rain. So it also makes sense. Then now this is 云, and then it also has rain. Clouds, you might not be able to see it, but clouds have have lots of water in them. You might remember in the here, there's rain here. Then and so if you know the 部首, it's gonna be the meaning, aka 部首. It's gonna be pretty easy to recognize and write. Once you're writing, you'll be like, 电, is it lightning? Oh yeah, so there's lightning, there's gonna be rain. Alright. Yeah, so now I'm gonna be going on the bottom. And then just gonna be 比一比读音和相似的字。And then so 为 there's two types. There's you can say two different ways. 为 and 为. So the first one is 为什么? Oh, and I gotta first remind you that you cannot use all words. And once you writing a word, gotta remember to write both of the vocabulary. Like 太阳. I don't think anyone will understand 太 is 什么太太的太 or 太阳什么太. So you gotta write 太阳. And then 为 is this 为就是 for 太阳为小花 for the sun. Yeah. And then the next, and just 为什么 the way is why. Why? 为什么 is why. Then the way is. We just gotta remember it. Like how I remember 为 is from 为什么. That's the first way. The next, it becomes pretty easy. Like, 我为你. And you just gotta, like, use your brain for a sec and then see which way is it. The next is 为, 认为, 以为. This is the recognizing way. Yeah, 认为 and 以为. And now, this is similar words. Similar, and sometimes you can get confused. Oh yeah, one time I got confused from this word and this word. And I'm like, what did I say? Like one time I was writing and then my teacher corrected me. And I was like, huh? And this is 腰, 桃子夭夭, the 夭. Yeah, so gotta be careful. But that is a little bit advanced, so I'm not gonna be learning that. Alright, these two words look similar, but their meaning is different. And like if you add this and remove this dot, it'll be the same. And if you remove the line, the stroke, and add the dot, it's gonna be really similar. But the meanings are completely different. Well, are different, not completely. And 太空人, astronaut. And you see again, 太 is not just for 太阳的太. So sometimes you'll get confused. But no need to worry, since once you're learning how to speak it, you also learn lots of vocabulary. It's not completely new. So it should be pretty easy to tell the differences, like 太空人 and 太阳. And now 天空 and 明天, tomorrow and the sky. Okay. Oh yeah, and as you see again, these two words are different. 明天 is tomorrow and 天空 is the sky. So you really gotta use your brain for a second and then see which one's correct. Is it 明天的天 or 天空 sky or tomorrow? And imagine if you got like 明天 you got wrong for the sky and you're like, what? Tomorrow sky? Or if you get tomorrow's kong, like tomorrow, what? Yeah, it's gonna get confusing. So yeah, you gotta like make sure you know it. Alright. So now we're gonna be doing here. Then it's gonna be 句子练习。Alright, let's listen to it.
四、句子练习。冬天过后，青草冒出来了。4点过后，教室空了。注意事情发生的先后顺序。
Alright, so that was like make sure 注意事情发生的先后顺序 is like which one's first and then which one's after. 过后is after. 冬天过后 after winter. 青草冒出来了 The grass pops out. And this is after 4 o'clock. 4点过后教室空了 Yeah, after 4 o'clock, the classroom is empty. Okay, so now here and then it says
5. 照样写句子。太阳为小花充充电。爸爸为我们说故事。姐姐为小狗戴帽子。
Yeah, it's okay. So I guess that's the end of the first class, the first story. And I'll make the second story very soon. Want a sneak peek? Like this. Okay. So goodbye everyone.